Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Kaya naman simulan na ang ating biyahe for tonight, #Biyaheng Depression. Love, I know it's difficult and stressful for you to explain what's going on in your head when you don't even understand it yourself. But love, you just have to try. Hindi mo kailangan sabihin yung specifics. Just describe what you feel, lalo na dun sa mga taong who are willing to listen to you. Those people who will constantly understand you. Huwag mong sarilinin yung problema mo, thinking na walang ibang makakaintindi sa'yo, walang tatanggap sa'yo, walang magmamahal sa'yo, because let me tell you now, that's wrong. May mga taong sobrang nagmamahal sa'yo and they want you to get better. They don't want you to succumb sa darkness na nararamdaman mo. So you just have to try, my love. Keep on trying to reach out to people and always bear in mind, no man is an island. This world was designed to be shared with people that matters in your life and to be shared with people na nagmamahal sa'yo and tanggap ka bilang isa sa mga taong nagmamatter din sa buhay nila. Okay? So don't be ashamed of what you are going through right now. Just reach out. You'll never know who's out there willing to be with you and to be there for you sa mga pinagdadaanan mo, okay? At tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating #Biyahe for tonight, #Biyaheng Depression. Love, do you know why scars exist? It's because it's a testament of what you've been through and the battles you've fought and won, literally and figuratively. Yan ang paalala kung gaano kakalakas dahil nagawa mong mapagtagumpayan ang mga pagsubok sa buhay mo at dahil nagawa mong bumangon matapos ng pagkakadapa mo. So you don't have to be ashamed of it. Flaunt it like a true warrior that you are. If wala pang nagsasabi sa'yo, love, let me do the honors. I'm proud of you for fighting your own monsters and coming out triumphant. Naintindihan mo? Proud ako sa'yo. Kaya sa mga love natin, kung meron pa kayong thoughts or own stories to share about our #Biyaheng Depression, just send it over to DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page. And before tayo magtungo ulit sa ating Diva playlist, my love, parang awa mo na, utang na loob. Gusto ko nang tapusin yung ECQ. Kaya please, doble ingat tayo. Please, cooperate. Please, stay at home. Okay? At tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating #Biyahe for tonight, #Biyaheng Depression. Love, you know what's depressing? Insensitivity of some. Ang dami kasing abid-abid sa paligid na hindi marunong makaramdam ng pinagdadaanan ng iba. Gets ko naman, love, na hindi nila responsibilidad na mag-tiptoe ka, kakaisip ng mararamdaman ng iba. Pero sana naman, pagganahin natin yung common sense kung meron man tayo nun to somehow refrain or avoid offending anyone. Alam naman siguro nating lahat ang mga derogatory remarks or mapanakit na mga salita. It's a no-brainer. So kung hindi mo naiintindihang lubusan ang salitang depression, manapang-iti ko mo na lang yung bibig mo kung wala ka namang masasabing maganda para hindi ka na nakakadagdag sa problema. Gets mo ko, love? Dama mo din yung adjit ko. Dama mo ba yung galit ko? Sa totoo lang kasi, love, ang problema dito talaga, ang dami kasi mga taong insensitive. Ang daming mga tao na in order to make themselves feel good about themselves, they would resort to hurting other people. That's just plain and strong shame. Nako, sa mga love natin, kung meron pa kayong gustong isend sa akin tungkol sa ating biyahe for tonight, #Biyaheng Depression, send them over sa comment section ng ating DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.